Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the cat room in Caboga Hill, and I'm going to be using dump for this. Gosh, I hate that sound. To do this using foot then. Stupid reveals don't want to communicate. No. Why? Seriously, why? No bugger. Okay. So now, like, I have to go up here. Finally, you're finally going up then. What? No, don't hit that rail. Or you'll freaking screw me up. Yeah, finally. I think this is where it's supposed to be. Yes, that's where. Okay. I'm sort of holding my camera in one hand and using controller phone with another one. And here you are. Beware the cats. Oh yay, graffiti. Yeah. I haven't gotten every graffiti so long. I know I saw. Sorry for me again, that's why. So yeah, here's all the cats. So funny, though. Sorry if my voice isn't loud enough. It seems loud enough to me, but like, for you guys, yeah. Okay, so, yeah, hope you enjoyed watching. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye.